Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Eclipse airdrop. Now Eclipse is Ethereum's first Solana virtual machine, which is a layer 2, and farming this airdrop is a bit complex. Now you can join my Telegram group if you find any difficulties with regards to farming this airdrop. Links in the description, and hopefully I will be able to resolve all your doubts and queries. Now, with regards to the funding raised by Eclipse, it's around 65 million funding that they have received in total. Now, since farming this airdrop is a bit complex, that is why less people will go ahead and farm this airdrop, and you have the chance of actually getting a decent chunk of this airdrop. Although we are not sure how much would be the airdrop amount, that is totally up to the team in order to decide, and none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research. Now the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to their GitHub over here, and if you are using Chrome or some other browser, you can go ahead and download this file over here, which is build extension, or if you are using Mozilla Firefox, then you can go ahead and download this one. Links in the description. Now all you have to do is you will need to go to Chrome over here and / extensions over here, and the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and click on this developer mode over here. Now once you click on developer mode, all you have to do is you will need to go to your downloaded file over here, open it, extract it. On all you have to do is basically you will need to go ahead and drag this file over here. Now once you have dragged this file, the next thing that you have to do is basically you will need to go to their website over here, and this is optional. You can sign up for their mailing list just by inputting your email address and clicking on submit. Now the next thing that you have to do is you will need to have a Metamask wallet. Now if you have a Metamask wallet, all you have to do is basically you will need to go ahead and request for some Celestia ETH over here. Now simply put in your Celestia ETH address over here and click on send me ETH. Now once you have it, all you have to do is you go to Remix over here or Remix over here and create a new workspace, and maybe you can name it anything. So I will just name it Eclipse 1. Click on OK. I will go to owner.sol over here, and I will go to Solidity compiler, click on compile, and go to deploy and run transactions, and on the top I will select injected provider Metamask, and it should be Celestia over here, and we'll click on deploy. Now we'll click on send transaction over here, and it will request for some gas fees over here. Now to be honest, I have used my gas fees on this wallet, so I'm not able to complete the transaction, but you guys would be able to complete the transactions once you have like 0.5 Celestia ETH. So I will reject this for now since I have already created the owner's wallet over here. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go over here and download a Salmon wallet for your Chrome browser. Now if you have finished the first steps of actually adding the downloaded file over here, then if we click on Salmon wallet over here, I will go ahead and input my Salmon wallet's password over here first. Then you would be able to see this Eclipse DevNet and Eclipse Testnet and Ethereum Goerli. So that means that this import is successful. If the import has failed, then you would be only able to see like Bitcoin and Solana, which we don't want. We actually want to have like Eclipse DevNet and Eclipse Testnet. Now the next thing that you can do is basically you can go to the Celestia Eclipse bridge over here, and here you will need to go ahead and connect your Metamask wallet where you have the Celestia ETH. Now simply go to Salmon wallet over here. It will ask for the password again and again. So once you are here over here, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and copy this address over here, and you have to bridge some Celestia from your Metamask to your address. So simply paste in your address from the Salmon wallet over here and click on bridge. Now once you have completed the bridge, all you can do is basically you can go to the token faucet over here and connect your Salmon wallet and click on get ETH, and this testnet ETH would be airdrop to your wallet. So as you can see, I have received like 7 ETH over here. So once you do that, all you can do is basically you can go to invariant over here right now. Now there is some issues with invariant swap as of now. I don't know why. Else I would have swapped like few Ethereum to maybe USDC and maybe some Bitcoin over here. As you can see, it's not finding any route. But what you can do is basically, if this is on the testnet, you have to switch this to devnet over here, and maybe you can select this one over here. Let me try to swap it. No, it's not allowing me. So basically what you can do is, for now, is like you can go to the faucet over here, and basically you can complete this captcha. So basically 81 plus 13 is like 94, and simply click on get, and once again input your Salmon password over here and click on confirm, and it will do some SOL airdrop over here to your Salmon wallet. So once the swap feature is available, you can go ahead and swap, and then maybe add some liquidity pools, and maybe do some pool farming on Invariant. Now the next thing that you can do is basically you can track all your transactions on their Explorer over here. So as you can see, and they have this option of actually going ahead and voting, which you can do it later if you want. Now the last thing that you want to do is like you can go and join this one over here, their Twitter. Now they have this Genesis NFT Collection, which is from Eclipse. Now this one should be a decent NFT collection. Now they haven't posted anything else yet, but what you can do is basically you can go and join the Discord group and try to get the OG role, and hopefully if the mint price is low, you can go ahead and mint one of these. Now basically it's a close-knit group, so we don't know much of a details yet as to how much would be the minting cost, but I don't think it would be much. So basically, if you have the chance to get this Genesis NFT collection, this might print you some decent money. Although once again, none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research. So these are some of the steps that you can do in order to farm the Eclipse airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please don't forget to actually comment on the video. I would be more than happy to help you, or else you can actually go ahead and join my Twitter, and I might be able to help you over there. So this is all for this video once again, and thank you for watching.